dead. Enderman or Ender Dragon, whatever. Ew. Yes. Oh, look at this. It's an egg. Look, Alex, we did it. I don't care about you. Shut up. I don't like you. Who cares about you? Let me just kill you. Okay, let's just take this egg. Shoot. Oh no, let's go to the subject mark credits.
5 hours later.
Okay, somehow it spawned me right back into heal. Just falling off my sword and the thing, the egg already cracked inside my inventory. Oh look, there goes the first half of the pieces, which sucks. Whatever, go inside.
5 hours later.
Wow, do you have to be so mean? Wow. This makes no sense in currently Half-Life. No, beep. Yay. Okay.
Was killed. Bum, bum, bum.
Okay. Let's just buggy. No, we just take that on a little bit. One thing just sucks in life.
5 hours later.
Slimy. Where the heck is the end of